Hello friends. Welcome to Kitchen and Home Review, your ultimate destination for the coolest and smartest Amazon kitchen gadgets. These tools aren't just affordable. They'll make your cooking faster, easier, and a lot more fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us, which gadget caught your eye today? Stay tuned, because we're just getting started. Let's dive right into the best kitchen finds. So friends, let's start the video. Ice Snow Cone Maker. Make snow cones like a pro. The high-quality snow shaving system allows you to make mountains of snow cones snow quickly, easily, and safely. Push-down handle. Add ice into the ice chute and use the safety-insured push handle to begin shaving ice into fluffy, flavor-absorbing snow. 64 ounces. Capacity. Fit up to 64 ounces, or about 8 normal-sized snow cones, in the snow cone chamber for so many delightful treats. Snow cones, ice scoop, and side handles. After shaving ice, use the convenient ice scoop to fill one or all of the 4 reusable snow cone cups. Then place them neatly on the side shelves for easy serving. Add your flavor. Add any of your favorite snow cone syrup flavors. Use Nostalgia snow cone syrups for deliciously cool results. Easy cleaning, easy storing. Disassemble to parts for easy and thorough cleaning, then store neatly using the hidden cord storage on the unit. Electric salt and pepper grinder. Add style and convenience to your kitchen with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This sleek automatic grinder set comes in a pack of 2. Perfect for salt, pepper, or any spice you love. Simply flip it upside down, and it automatically grinds. No buttons, no effort. The adjustable coarseness lets you choose how fine or coarse you want your seasoning, while the built-in LED light ensures perfect control, even during evening dinners or BBQs. Powered by batteries, these grinders combine power with precision, giving your meals that fresh, gourmet flavor every time. With their modern black design, they're not just practical, they're a stylish addition to your dining table or kitchen counter. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Convenience and flavor in every twist. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note, packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next to other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Air fryer egg molds. Start your mornings right with the 4 PCS air fryer egg molds, your new go-to for quick, fun, and healthy cooking. Made from high-quality non-stick silicone, these molds are perfect for eggs, muffins, toast cups, or mini pancakes. They're reusable, heat-resistant, and super easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Each mold comes with a lid to prevent spills and keep your air fryer spotless. Whether you're meal prepping or making breakfast on the go, these air fryer accessories make cooking fast, neat, and delicious. Upgrade your kitchen with these colorful, must-have silicone egg molds today. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Air fry. Air crisp technology. 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air surrounds food for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Large capacity. The 5-cutie nonstick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. 4-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Guilt-free fried foods. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Frozen TO crispy. Cook frozen foods in just minutes for an extra crispy finish. Space saver. Ninja's latest air fryer design allows you to save even more space on your countertop without compromising capacity. Easy TO clean. The basket and crisper plate are both non-stick for easy cleaning. What's included? Air fryer, 5-cutie non-stick basket and crisper plate, chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts. Meat thermometer. Cook your meals to perfection every time with the 0.5 seconds instant read meat thermometer. With plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, this digital thermometer gives you ultra-fast, accurate readings for meat, candy, barbecue, and more. Its sleek red design is not only stylish but also practical, making it easy to handle in the kitchen, oven, or grill. Perfect for chefs, home cooks, or as a gift for him, dad, husband, or any cooking enthusiast will love it. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Upgrade your cooking gadgets with this must-have digital meat thermometer today. Mini USB electric garlic masher. Easy use, powerful product size, 3.94 by 4.53. Just manually put food or ingredients into the 60W powerful vegetable chopper. Lock the lid and chop food quickly with one button. Garlic chopper with 4 stainless steel 304 sharp blades. Only needs 20s, can automatic and evenly chop / mince / blend a wide variety of foods, saving you time and freeing your hands. USB charging portable. The rechargeable electric garlic chopper supports USB charging. Handheld cordless mincer can be used about 50 times after full charged. This 250 milliliters portable food processor features compact volume and satisfied the needs when traveling or camping. Easy clean, IPX65 waterproof. Our 250 milliliters large capacity food chopper can be rinsed directly with water after use. Coffee maker. Fresh, authentic coffee taste. Featuring a 4-level filtration system, complete with a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and final mesh screen. It effectively filters out coffee grounds while extracting the aromatic oils and subtle flavors. This preserves the natural oils and flavors of the coffee, allowing you to enjoy a rich, pure taste free from sediment and grit. Stainless steel stylish design. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel, this coffee press combines strength and elegance. The sturdy construction and robust metal handle ensure lasting durability, while its transparent body allows you to watch your coffee brew, adding a touch of sophistication to your morning routine and complementing any kitchen decor. Electric food processor and vegetable chopper. Stack and snap technology for easy assembly. With this well-designed food processor, you can skip frustrating, awkward assembly. Stack snap technology provides easy assembly and removes the need for difficult twist locking. 12-cup sealed bowl. Most food processors are too small for large processing jobs. This 12-cup sealed bowl fits large volumes of food all at once. And since it's sealed in the center, there's no messy leaks or spills to clean up after processing. Slice, shred, chop, mix and puree with 2 versatile attachments. This large food processor and vegetable chopper includes a chopping / pureeing blade and reversible stainless steel slicing / shredding disc, so you can tackle every job with ease. Easy TO clean. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup, and all food zones are BPA free for peace of mind. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel, with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean, hollow base design, food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water, convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours.